Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by cleaning your hands and getting into position so the lens comes easily. Once done, sit at a well-lit mirror, remove jewelry and makeup, and dry your hands on a lint-free towel. Now use your middle finger to pull the lower lid down while looking straight ahead. This stabilizes the eye and exposes the lens edge. Make sure to breathe and relax. Tension makes the lens cling. You're ready for the first removal motion. You'll move the lens to an easier location by gently pressing with your index finger toward the lower white of the eye. This detaches it from the cornea. Then, bring your thumb and index finger close and lightly pinch the lens. Slow, steady pressure will grip it without squeezing. If it's a soft lens, a few blinks often help. Rigid lenses may need a small suction tool. Once you feel the edge, pinch and lift straight out to avoid tearing the lens. After removal, rinse the lens if reusable or dispose if single-use, then store it properly. Once done, inspect your eye for discomfort. Use saline or rewetting drops and blink to clear debris. If the lens won't budge, don't force it. Apply drops, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then try again. Gentle massaging of the eyelid can help. Make sure to contact an eye care professional immediately if you experience severe pain, redness, or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.